You're not losing weight because you're waking up wrong. If your day starts like this, your 10 a.m. crash is already baked in. Start like this instead, and your energy stays even while your jeans start to fit again. Today, we're fixing the real reason your scale hasn't moved. You're waking up wrong. Here's one fact to keep in mind. A protein-first breakfast, about 30 grams within 90 minutes of waking, keeps your sugar and hunger steady all day. That's it. No math, no misery. I'm Dr. Yaz, quadruple board certified endocrinologist and obesity specialist, and today's villain is the healthy American breakfast. Oatmeal, smoothies, toast, they look innocent, but they spike your insulin before you open your email. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to eat in the morning so your metabolism finally listens. Overnight, your body fasts. When you wake up, it's primed. Whatever you eat first sets the whole day's chemistry. So if your carbs walk in naked, they'll paint your bloodstream like a toddler with finger paint. Every carb needs clothes. Protein, fat, and or fiber. Say it with me. Protein first, carbs wear clothes, carbs go last. That one line can change your mornings. Your formula, simple. 30 grams of protein by 9 a.m. 3 easy ways to do this. 1, an egg scramble. Think eggs, turkey, sausage, spinach. 2, a Greek yogurt bowl. 3, a protein shake with protein powder, nut butter, almond milk. And then you have your fruit after. Fruit is not breakfast. Fruit is the last bite after the protein and fiber. Coffee lovers, don't shoot the messenger. But listen, coffee is a drink, not breakfast. Have it with your protein, not alone. If you want a bonus tool, try a tablespoon of vinegar and water before a carb-heavy meal. It helps some people blunt the spike. This is very optional, and always ask your clinician first. Now, you don't have to live in the gym. A 10-minute walk after meals lets your muscles use up the sugar while it's still in your bloodstream. So before you reach for a snack, reach for your shoes. That's your freedom medicine. 3 short walks a day or 1 30-minute walk after dinner. Let's clean up the big 3. The 3 healthy traps. 1, oatmeal alone equals dessert. Add protein and nuts before. 2, fruit smoothies. They are liquid sugar and eat fruit on the side. 3, skipping breakfast altogether. This will equal rage and snacking later. Ask yourself at 10 a.m. Sleepy, snacky, or feeling steady? If you're steady, your breakfast worked for you. Now I challenge you to try this for 3 mornings. Water first, 30 grams of protein within 90 minutes, and then a 10-minute walk after. And then check yourself at 10 a.m. How do you feel? If you're steady, you're fixed. You're not broken, your breakfast was. I made you a free 30-gram breakfast cheat sheet. 3 combos, a short grocery list, and a quick carb close visual. Grab it below and start tomorrow. Your mornings decide your metabolism. You'll feel it before you see it. I'm Dr. Yaz. I'll see you next week.